Michelle Nielsen from Steeped in Smiles. Today I'm going to talk to you about brushing technique with a electric toothbrush. Dr. Doug likes to use the analogy of cutting down a tree with a handsaw versus cutting down a tree with a chainsaw to explain the difference between a manual and an electric toothbrush. So when you're cutting down a tree with a manual saw, it takes much more work and effort to cut down the tree. Whereas with the chainsaw, you can just put the saw in the right spot and it does the work for you, so making it a lot easier to cut down the tree. So the same idea with an electric toothbrush. This is the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean toothbrush. There are a lot of electric toothbrushes on the market, but this is the one that we sell and recommend at our office. So the idea behind the electric toothbrushes, again, is that it does the work for you. So it does all the motions of the toothbrush. So it vibrates or does circles in some other cases of toothbrushes. So the idea with this type of toothbrush is you just turn it on and then you place the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle, half on the gum, half on the teeth, and then you just need to move it around your mouth. There's no need to do any circular or scrubbing motions, as it does all the work for you. Again, as with the other video describing the toothbrushing technique with the manual toothbrush, is the most important part is to put the toothbrush in the correct place. So you want it 50% on the gum, 50% on the tooth, because that's where the plaque and bacteria accumulate. With patients who are struggling with brushing and their oral hygiene, we find that the electric toothbrushes are really effective. First, because they do most of the work for you, so you just have to spend the time putting it in the right place. The other reason is they come with a built-in 2-minute timer. It pulses every 30 seconds and then shuts off after 2 minutes. So people who have an electric toothbrush are much more likely to brush for the full 2 minutes that's required for good oral hygiene. So I hope that helped you with your brushing technique.